Hi everybody, this is Cherie from Sharing Redesign Ideas and things that I'm doing. As you can see, I have my TV up, yay! Got all my perfumes. I don't have no perfumes, huh? Gobs of perfume. That's my husband's cologne on this side. But we getting there. Slowly but surely, we getting there. Just not ideas for you, but things that I'm doing to redesign my home, trying to get it together and decorate it. So I just wanted you to see the update that I'm doing. Still haven't found the panels for my curtains yet, but I'll find them. I think I'm going to go to Bed Bath & Beyond. But I got all the pictures up. And look at this dresser. Empty. Empty. Yay. The clutter's going away. My next two projects for this room are the shoes and the panels. And I'm not sure what else I'm going to do after that, but I'm looking for me a new throw. This is my old throw from the old bear. It was so pretty. I just hate to get rid of it, but I'll give it to my cousin or somebody. I want a teal and cream, a reverse, a multicolor one, because I know I'm not going to keep this bedspread. I'm just going to switch my bed. I love switching my bedspreads out. So I'm looking for a plain teal one and a plain cream one and a plain tan one to go with the color scheme. Because I plan on keeping this color scheme for a while. But one more last glance at the TV. And I need some of them strips my son told me for the wall that had the wires. Yep. Remember, this is just my journey on getting organized, getting the house together. I have an old home. I had a new home before, but I have an old home now, 1929, and trying to learn to live in a tiny space. All right, gang. Talk to you later. Enjoy.